New week. New week.
New week. New exhaustion level.
Getting ready for an easy ride after a hard swim or a technical swim, hard mental swim in the morning. At least today is 55 compared to last week -5. I'll take it. What up?
What a beauty day!
Yeah. Got Jason here. When it's not cold, it's windy in Boulder. That's how the winter it is.
Little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the muddle, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you.
Come to Boulder in March. It's gonna be really nice.
You grew all things about me all. Your pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home.
Climbing Flagstaff today. Beautiful day. Protected by the wind today. We're getting some decent climbing and finishing out my workout here. Look at these views. Got the speed down here. And -1. The level wheels. Shimano Dura Ace Power Meter. Shimano saddle. Not bad for Tuesday.
Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you. I've got you. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know.
So I just got done with my hard run of the week. I wasn't gonna do it, I was just gonna easy run, but I decided to suck it up and do it, which is not what happened on the bike ride yesterday when I almost got blown over and I decided, screw this. sometimes you just think this is really dangerous. But then after losing my shit and thinking I can't ride my bike, trying to push my bike to get to the safe place was equally as challenging. My bike almost turned into a kite. It did turn into a kite. I almost let it go just to Kansas. Decided to hold on to it and rode a little bit once we got to safety. But yeah, so that's Boulder in a nutshell. Whenever you get to this time of year, it's either freezing, snowing, or it's 60 and 40-mile-per-hour winds. Don't move here.
Comment below who makes a dinner in your household.
It's not me.
I'm on,
Unless it's pizza, then it's me.
Or pizza or gnocchi.
Or gnocchi, yeah. I'm the gnocchi
So
master.
I am on dinner duties today. We both had long days.
Yep.
And yeah, we're having the traditional all-you-can-eat bowl. One out of 10.
I thought it was that car. It like flying fast. I was almost gonna ask him to come out for this one. I like how Ryan had what? Said this workout's gonna take an hour and 28 minutes.
Ha!
I'm like,
Gonna
like
take
an
way
hour
more.
45 or an hour 50.
Yeah. On a beautiful day here in Boulder. One mile in, 10-minute miles.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Yeah. Carbon shoes.
Carbon shoes and Red Bull. Nothing's going wrong here.
We just did our warm-up. Now.
Red Bull for the marathon, so that tells you how hard this is going to be.
Hopefully not that hard.
You have to remember, you weigh like 50 pounds less than me, and I have to run uphill with you, so actually, yeah. It's going to be that hard. Oh, you want any?
I'm good. I'm gonna leave the GoPro here.
I totally kicked your ass, dude. You didn't stand a chance.
What are you talking, man? I got carbon shoes there.
Yeah, I have drank a Red Bull. Full on age group status. But we got it done. That's how it's done, right?
Yeah, that was our classic Wednesday strength run, going up Flagstaff.
We'll make a full video sometime.
Yeah,
We don't want to carry the weight.
Yeah, we gotta bring Kenny or Rachel.
Exactly.
Epic run one day. It is deja vu again. After some nice days, we get the winter again. Rachel wants to drive in the snow and she wants to hold her coffee.
It's mine.
It's yours, and then she takes like forever to get out of the driveway with At least better visibility today. Oh my god. What's the workout today?
400, 4 200, 8 100, 4 200, and a 400. The little pyramid.
Look at the mountains back there. Got the JJ crew swimming on wetsuits today. Can't handle the cold. Yeah.
I did, like as soon as I got home from my massage. I let Andre have 3 bites.
I had your bag for it. No, there's no injury today?
It's not big enough. Strength work. Did this Brazilian ever think that he was gonna have to shovel snow from his yard?
Excuse me. I was born in Ohio.
Well, excuse me. So experienced.
Cross training.
Oh no. No.
Yo, yo, yo! Andre is the man. Like, comment, subscribe. Give him the follow, baby. Cheers.